Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's wonderful to have you all here. Feel free to check out my other tutorial videos on my channel, and if you like what you see, do hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'm really excited to have hit 1,000 subscribers in the last 2 weeks, and I'm so very grateful from the bottom of my heart to every single one of you who's been watching my channel and leaving feedback for me. Today I have an exciting new tutorial video for you that's inspired by a wonderful Ukrainian artist called Vanilla, so please check out her channel. So this week's tutorial is the Aurora Leaf Print over a blue-green gradient blended background, and this is on a 20 by 20 centimeter canvas. For this tutorial you will need a primed canvas or canvas board, fresh or dried leaves, acrylic paint, a glass of water, and paintbrushes and a palette. There will be no further voiceover, so enjoy the music and I'll see you at the end.
so pretty.
That green?
Yeah.
It is really, really pretty. It's a lovely colour. And you get some more.
But my favourite colour is violet now. Sarah's coming here.
Okay, good girls. Right, I'm gonna get lots of green on my green. See all the green on my brush?
Yeah.
Taking it off, I'm going to paint my leaf now. Okay, shall I use this one? If I paint it all on, then I take it all off like this with a really light touch. See? And it's coming off now. And when I'm ready, I put my paintbrush down here.
Is it the green paint?
Yeah, that's the green paint. Now I lift my leaf up. Now girlies, wait out, get out the way, sweeties. I'm going to put this on here now, okay? So let's put this, where should we put it?
Here, in the middle.
I put them on the end, first of all. Here. And then I get some tissue.
And your hands have lots of teal paint.
Put on here.
I'll make some noise.
Can you push down on it with your finger?
Yeah.
Okay.
What about these white sides?
I'll paint them later. Now we're going to lift this up now, slowly. Wow, look at that.
They are perfect
Really-
leaves. Look.
It's such a beautiful
Mum,
colour. Huh?
Mum, guess what? When I was free, I couldn't see anything. But now I can see everything you're doing.
You are very perceptive, my love.
Just everything when I do on the sky.
On the sky.
Yeah.
We can't see.
Everybody can see a sky. Then can see a sidecar. Look at.
Where should I put this one? Here?
Yeah.
There we go.
So, Sarah, you are going to tell what colour Mum you have to use first, okay? And I'll tell her if that's a perfect leaf. Mum, yes, I think I saw that leaf. This leaf is a perfect one. That's a perfect. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I think you should lift it up now.
I will. So then make sure it's on. 1, 2, 3.
Go! Wow, it's a perfect leaf. So, Sarah, can you tell Mum what colour we need to use next?
Green again. We've got to do lots of these colours. Let's do another one.
But what in the middle? Can you do it in the middle this time?
We will do some in the middle. We just got to hurry up because the paints tend to dry very fast.
Wait, I don't want any leaves in the middle. I want a cute little flower and a bit of flyers on the flower. So I'm just going to have a look at all the pictures. Mum, I love your office. Wow. Mum, I wish I had lots of pictures in my bed. My bedroom is boring. I want to keep my bedroom even better, and I want to put nice pictures on.
Why don't you? You've got lots of space in your bedroom above your
I
bed.
love